day trading or long-term investing? Both have made people millionaires, but which one is right for you? Stick around, because what I'm about to share could change the way you think about the stock market forever. Whether you're trying to make fast money or build slow, steady wealth, the decision between day trading and long-term investing could be your key to financial success or disaster. But here's the twist: most people get it wrong, and I'll show you why. First up, day trading. This is where things get exciting. Day traders buy and sell stocks within the same day, making quick decisions based on market movements. It's fast-paced, thrilling, and the potential for profit is huge, but so is the risk. In a single day, a stock could go up 5%, 10%, even 20%, and if you catch it at the right time, those gains are all yours. But here's the catch: you could also lose just as fast. Think of it as a roller coaster that never slows down. And let me tell you, day trading requires time, skill, and emotional control. You'll be glued to the screen, living and breathing the markets. But can you handle the pressure? Now here's something most people don't know: over 90% of day traders actually lose money in the long run. Surprised? It's not as easy as it seems. But don't worry, there's another path, a more relaxed one, that could lead to big wealth over time. Let's talk about long-term investing. This is the slow and steady approach. You buy a stock, hold on to it for years, and let the magic of compound interest work in your favor. It's less stressful, requires far less screen time, and if you invest in strong companies, the chances of success are much higher. Imagine buying Amazon or Tesla 10 years ago and just sitting back while your money doubled, tripled, even 10x'd. With long-term investing, you're not worried about daily market swings. You're looking at the bigger picture. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a massive tree. But which strategy wins? Day trading might give you quick returns, but the risks are sky high. Long-term investing, on the other hand, is slower but far more predictable. So, is it a trade-off between speed and security? Well, the answer might surprise you. Here's a quick breakdown: day trading, quick profits, high risk, requires full-time attention, and high stress. Long-term investing, steady returns, lower risk, minimal time commitment, and much less stress. Day trading could make you rich fast, but if you're not careful, it could wipe out your portfolio just as quickly. Long-term investing is the tortoise in the race, but remember, slow and steady often wins in the end. Still can't decide? Here's the secret weapon: a hybrid strategy. Some investors combine both methods, day trading with a small part of their portfolio for quick gains, while holding the majority in long-term investments for steady growth. It's like having the best of both worlds. But which one should you choose? It depends on your personality, risk tolerance, and goals. Do you thrive under pressure and love a fast-paced environment? Or are you more of a long-term planner who prefers consistent, reliable growth? Comment below and let me know. Here's the bottom line: both day trading and long-term investing have made people millionaires. But remember, it's not just about the strategy, it's about what suits you best. If you want more tips on how to build wealth, whether fast or slow, hit that like button and subscribe to the Urban Trader. I've got plenty more strategies coming your way. Stay tuned and I will see you in another video. Until then, happy investing.